Hello everyone, welcome back to Jason Tips. Today I will show you a cool feature of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So I don't know if you're somewhere and you see something you like and you feel embarrassed to ask or whatever, just open your camera. Let's say you have some objects you catching in a photo. So open your camera, press and hold the home button. Once again, open your camera, press and hold the home button, and you will activate this mode. Now what you want to do is just circle the object you're interested in, and Google will automatically open for you a bunch of results where you can purchase whatever. Let's try again with another object. Just press and hold the search and just circle the object, and straight away you find even the make of the item you're interested in, and I find this really cool.
Nice.
This is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.